This summer, we worked together with partners to support a programme of summer activities targeted towards childcare and food for children from low-income families. The Scottish Government announced funding earlier this year, and I am delighted to say that with the £177,000 of government funding, we provided 34 projects with fun activities in total across the Highlands.
The creativity and diversity of the programme is something that was really excellent this year. We were able to offer things from go-kart building to seaside safari to football to arts and craft clubs, and I really feel that all the services within Highland came together to offer something really special for the local communities.
So this summer I've been working on summer activities for unaccompanied asylum-seeking children. The young people who these sessions were for are coming from countries all over the world and really difficult circumstances. They're arriving here on their own, so feeling very isolated and vulnerable. So all these sessions were really about organising activities that they wanted to do that were fun for them and were in a social environment where they could actually relax and have fun. I think partnership working is key to this type of project work and really enabling physical activity and sport to make a difference in people's lives. And we can do that in so many different ways if we're linking up with the right partners. So in this case it was Highland Council's performance improvement health and social care team, as well as this working with the individual social workers as well. And it really meant we were able to have that direct line to the young people themselves and consult with them on what was going to have an impact and make a difference for them.
Free food was also provided, which included snacks and lunches. Some partners provided free pick-up packed lunches for the whole 6 weeks, and another partner included a hot lunch every day. We would all like to thank the amazing 504 young leaders, volunteers and staff who provided the activities and food provision, which is vital to so many families.